Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Keroppi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw 2 large circles for the eyes. And let's make sure they're touching in the center. Now inside each of the eyes, towards the center, let's draw another circle for the pupils. And then color both of these in black. Now top underneath on each side, and let's draw a curve down and bring it in for the sides of the head. And then connect it at the bottom. Next, we're going to hop inside and draw the mouth. Let's draw 2 angles down, meeting at a point in the center. And then on both sides, let's draw a circle for the cheeks. And that's it for the head. Now top underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath on both sides and let's draw a curve down and out. And then a line across underneath. Now top inside and let's draw the bow tie. At the top, let's draw 2 curves going outwards. And then bring it down from the ends and curve it back in underneath. Now top to the sides and draw the arms. On both sides, let's start with a curve going outwards. Then for the ends, let's curve it back in. Another bump for the next finger. And then one more back to the body. Now top underneath and let's draw the feet. From the sides, let's curve it down and bring it in. Now top to the center and let's do the same thing, bringing it down and over, and the same on the right side. And then one more bump in the center to close off each foot. And that's it for Keroppi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!